Okay, so problems, decorations enabled. Show errors and warnings on files and folders. And this is pretty neat actually. So let's create an error. Let's delete this brace. And this is what this pertains to. It's going to show that there's an error in this file, and therefore there's an error in this repository. If we set this to false, it's going to not show any errors. Now, notice that index.js and the repository folder are still color coded, and they are colored. They have this kind of yellowish, brownish color, because if you hover it, you'll see that they are modified. You see modified there? That pertains to the fact that this file was modified and has essentially it means that this file contains uncommitted changes to the Git repository, and that's why it has this color. Now, if you set this to true, problems, the problems decorations will go on top of whatever Git is telling you, right? So for example, this file right here, jsconfig.json, is green, which means it's untracked. If we create a problem here, something like that, it's gonna go red. So problems always show first, right? So they kind of overtake whatever the color coding for the source control is showing you. So definitely a good thing. So I'm going to leave this one set to true.